What's going on, guys? It's Friday evening. Just got home, got some mail. I got this one, I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday, come in the mail, so I'm a little late on doing it. But it's from Matthew, or MGB Salta, and he does wood and whatever. So you ought to go check his channel out. He's got a great channel over there. And subscribe to him if you're not already. And Matthew, I thank you for that. Really cool sticker, so that's going in my stash with my other ones. And then the next one I got from Michael Friday. Let's see, he sent me a little note in here too. I appreciate that, Michael. Yeah, that's cool looking. Classic Cruiser. Yeah. But you ought to go over and check his channel. I think he's got two channels, Michael Friday and then Michael F48, which he just done some plasma cutter videos, and he's got that 72 Nova project he's working on. And that's going in my stash too, so. But yeah, I wanted to show y'all, I forgot my camera this morning. And my parts come in from my air compressor. Yeah, got it all together. And it's a 6.5 horsepower, 60 gallon. And that's a CFMs on it. And now I just gotta dig me a trench. Built me a little shed for it because I'm going to put it on the outside of this other one. And yeah, all these damn weeds are getting out of here. But I got to go from my power box there to about over here, and that's about 80 foot. Get that done. And also we had this other compressor I brought home with me. It's a Ingersoll Rand 185. It's an old one we got there, and nobody uses it no more, so I asked the boss if I could just bring it home and use it with that sand blaster, and got it and serviced it all out. But yeah, it runs pretty good. I think she's gonna get that sand blaster hell. It's got a little John Deere engine in it. Let me get you back here and we'll see if we can get her started. Oh, sorry about that. But yeah, just give you a little peekaboo of that. And I hope it don't rain tomorrow, because I'm wanting to blast these hoods so I can get my stickers on them. But yep, he's doing good though. One of the foremen that used it out there said it was blowing oil out with the air, like a little mist. I checked it, and never did see nothing. He had it over full of compressor oil anyway, so. But yeah, I pulled the old Nova back there. Got it ready to pressure wash. There's Fred. Fred, what you doing? Some doggy points? Yeah. Anyway, that's about all I got for now, so if it don't rain tomorrow, try to get this back there and get everything set up. And then that little shed right there, and tear it apart. They got a concrete slab up under it. I'm going to pull it up there, and that's what I'm going to mount that compressor to. Yep. Anyway, there you go. And guys, I appreciate y'all sending the stickers, and I'm going to post y'all's links down here in the description. And we'll check y'all later.